उम्रो अय्यार
कोई दिलचस्पी दुनिया की कहानी सुनाऊंगा, कोई गाफ की।
सबसे बड़ी फिल्म,
तहलका मचा देने वाली कहानी,
You really don't know who you are.
सबसे ज्यादा बिजनेस,
लेकिन हम तुम्हें प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं।
जादू, साइंस और पूरी सरारियत का हसीन इम्तजाज।
एक ताकतवर फ्रेम को हासिल करना चाहता है।
नॉर्थ अमेरिका के सिनेमाओं में रिलीज हो चुकी है।
इस इलाके में लक्का की हुकूमत चलेगी।
आज ही अपने करीबी थिएटर्स जाएं, चेक करें।
तुम्हें वाकई मुझ पे इतना भरोसा है?
दुनिया भर में कहानियों में सबसे ज्यादा पढ़ा जाने वाला ये किरदार पहली मर्तबा आपके सामने।
मान लोगे तो जान लोगे।
उम्रो अय्यार देखना मत भूलिएगा।
दुश्मन से कह दो हम आ रहे हैं।
और देखने का मौका मत गंवाइएगा।
तैयारों तैयार
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me Nadia Rajput from Desi TV USA. Let me take you to the special news. Russia warns it can take unspecified measures in response to US drone flights over Black Sea. India's president inaugurates newly elected parliament and sets out economic reforms as a key agenda. Women's rights will be raised at the UN meeting being attended by Taliban UN official says. Russia's defense minister ordered officials to prepare a response to US drone flights over the Black Sea, the military said Friday in an apparent warning that Moscow may take forceful action to ward off the American reconnaissance aircraft. The Russian Defense Ministry noted a recent increased intensity of US drones over the Black Sea, saying they conduct intelligence and targeting for precision weapons supplied to the Ukrainian military by Western countries for strike on Russian facilities. India's president inaugurated a new parliament on Thursday after national elections, listing the priorities of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government in coming years, including fast-tracking economic reforms and boosting small and medium-sized enterprises to create jobs. President Draupadi Murmu said India's economy grew the fastest among the world's major nations at an average of 8% over the past 4 years. The UN political chief, who will chair the first meeting between Afghanistan's Taliban rulers and envoys from about 25 countries, answered sharp criticism that Afghan women have been excluded, saying Wednesday that women's rights will be raised at every session. Under Secretary General Rosemary DiCarlo stressed to a small group of reporters that the 2 days meeting started Sunday is an initial engagement aimed at initiating a step-by-step process with the goal of seeing the Taliban at peace with itself and its neighbors and adhering to international law, the UN Charter and human rights. That's all for now. Keep watching Desi TV USA. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and don't forget to watch our channel DTV NN, Desi Sports, and log on to our OTT platform DTV Flix to explore over 3,000 channels which we provide.
ब्लॉकबस्टर साइंस फिक्शन फिल्म उम्रो अय्यार ईद के रोज से तमाम सिनेमा घरों में रिलीज।
हम तुम्हें प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं।
जदीद टेक्नोलॉजी, अछूता मौजू, अपने करीबी सिनेमा हॉल जाएं, चेक करें और देखना ना भूलें।
इस इलाके में लक्का की हुकूमत चलेगी।